What's that?
You need to go all the way around it.
Let's say we go the same way we did last time, man. That worked pretty well.
So this is the road that you're on when you walk back.
That's the back road, the Darth Vader alley.
If we can get on their side, if there's nobody over here.
There's gotta be somebody.
You know, fucking.
I can see fucking one of the booster guys standing there.
Yeah, that's blue. Okay, come on.
Take it back there. Put that Halloween shit up.
You know, they have a haunted trail that goes through here.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, like they do like those little like carriage rides.
Dude, where they at? Where they at?
Holy shit, dude. We're about to get it right here. We're about to get it right here.
You don't have to go very far. I say you go like 50 feet to the right.
Alright.
Damn it, Mike.
Hey, would you much rather do it here or in the fucking car?
Say what?
Would you much rather me do this here or in the car?
I'd rather just you to the side, not in front of me.
I can't help it, dude.
I'm gonna just skip the cliff.
Alright, this right here is 18, remember?
This?
Yeah.
Skip the 2,000 feet up, 1,000 feet up.
Yeah, no, about 200 feet up the road, right there.
I'm saying in the brush. I got shot out a little bit ago, straight ahead. They
Okay.
weren't moving.
Or be dead.
Good time.
Is there another fucking trail over here or what?
No, it's just fucking brush.
I'll tell you
Yeah,
this.
we're really far away from where we wanted to go, Garrett. Our base is right behind us.
Yeah, fuck that.
There's nothing through there. Let's go back up here and let's parallel the road.
God, way to fail, bro.
What?
That's what I'm thinking.
Oh shit, wait, hold on.
Oh, there they are.
Oh, there they are right there.
Fucking hell. Alright, let's get up into that ravine there.
Right now?
Hold on, let me get
Alright, hold on. Let them come up a little bit.
Those guys have got to be low on fucking paint from this far away.
Okay, okay.
There's the trail.
Yeah. Hey, you're good, Mike. Hey, he's pouring him in right through the middle. He can't get you anywhere else.
What?
He can only pour him in through the middle.
Hey, I'm gonna get up this cliff. Hold on.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Motherfucking climbing. Hey, he's it, he's it. Hey, Mike, tell me can I move? Come down, come down, come down. Hey, let's fall back. Woo. You hit?
No.
There's fucking nothing down there, dude. Alright, come on, come on. See what we got. See if we can do some work here.
You want me to go up in the woods on the right?
Yeah, yeah.
Go far, then come around?
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead and do that. Garrett, spot him for me. Oh, I see your ass. Yeah? right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they found a shooting range.
Anything for me to look at?
Not even, you can't tell.
Say what? Okay, hold on. I got you.
Your friend's on the ground up front, man.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, Mike! Phillips! Call him quick, call him Mike. Which bunker? There's absolutely nothing for me right here. Yeah. I'm here, bud.
Crawl up and stand up near that tree.
Garrett, come. At that tree, Mike.
Yeah.
All right, there you go, bud. Oh, okay, okay, okay. He's it. Which side?
Move up, Garrett! Move up, Zach!
Which tape are they pushing? Where at?
Garrett,
That
push up.
side?
There's a white oak tree. Garrett. No, this one.
Hey, Mike. Phillips.
Yeah, what's up?
Hey, am I cool to move to that right here?
Yeah, you can get there. Stay low.
Right there?
Stay low.
Okay.
Hey, Zach. Zach, watch the right side. Watch the right side. At about your 130, Zach. There, okay. We need to get on that left side.
Hey, Mike.
Hey, oh shit.
Hey,
Let
let
him out.
me move. Let me move.
Let him out. Stay left, stay right, stay right. Stay right, watch the left side.
I got you. I got you. Hey, am I clear to that house? Hey, am I clear to that house right there?
House is clear, get to the house.
They're coming down the tape? Okay.
Hey, is this in play? Can we go up?
Hey, where's the ref?
Let me see.
Gotta be up.
No, I think that's clean. That's a splash. There's no shell on it. The shell came back here.
He's
The
gone?
shell's up here.
Okay.
Hey, we're allowed to get up here, right? Oh, fuck it. If we're not, okay.
Get down. Get down. Zach, get down. That bitch is mine.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, Mike, stay put.
Hey, he's still behind the door. You guys see
I
the
see
white
him. I see him.
pallet?
I see him.
He's at the one to the left. He's at the gray pallet on the left. There he goes, popping out the left. Here he comes. Here he comes. Left side, left side, left side.
Let him come. He doesn't know I'm here. Let him come. He doesn't know I'm here.
Damien, watch in front of you, okay?
I see him. He's to your left and to my right. Let him come. Let him come. Yeah. I got 3 at around my 11. Make that 2. That's 1. Mike! They've got a rocket. Watch my left. They've got a rocket. There you go. Watch this side. Hey, Mike, tell me where to go. me where to go, bro.
Damien, where'd you go?
I'm right about to the left of Mike, about 50 feet to Mike's left.
Alright, I'm about 150 Mike's right. I want to cross the road over by the net over here, where we were earlier.
Do you mean that white the white net?
Mike, you shot out?
Hey, Mike. You hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
There's about 3 bogeys around 12. At my 12 coming towards me. Let them get closer and we'll blow their fucking heads off.
They're the ones going behind the white tarp?
There's 2 guys behind the white top. One looking out the right side of it. Our right side of it. Right out the right side. Shooting at that.
Hey, I'm starting to fog up. Let me do something quick. I'm starting to fog up.
You want to just go up and do the guys behind the tarp?
They're hit. Not yet. Hold on.
Watch it.
Take this pod. That's yours.
I can't see anything, man.
I can't see shit either. I can probably see more than you, so what's up?
Right across the street here, man.
Hey, let me get a top off.
There you go. Right across the street.
Hey, can I climb up here? Is there anything from
Yeah,
up
yeah,
here?
you can climb up there.
I got one hopper, alright?
Okay. Hit! Hit!
Where they at?
Crossing the street.
Oh, fuck. Are you serious?
Yep.
They're coming on me?
Uh-huh. 2 pods behind you.
Okay.
Hey, he's hit! Let him out! Hey, he's hit! Let him out!
Hey, grab this paint.
Let us out! Hit player coming out!
My bad.
Let us out!
Hey, cut the recording on this.
on the stuff he's in. I'll stop in here, sorry.